Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to another haul video. I bet you didn't see that one coming, did ya? Yeah. So, yeah, I've got two things. We went to Michael's and Ollie's, okay? And this was the weekend that my husband watched the baby for us, and we went into town with all of us girls, my daughter and my daughter-in-law. And yeah, we were looking for bridal stuff. My daughter, it was making these absolutely beautiful boxes for her bridesmaids and maid of honor, matron of honor. And so we were picking up stuff here and there. Oh, I went to Target too. So it's Target, Michael's, and Ollie's. Okay. Yeah, so let's just get started, shall we? Okay, this is from Michael's. This is for a new baby blanket that I'm going to be making for our newest butterfly, who is currently a caterpillar right now. She is due at the beginning, actually mid-July maybe. Anyway, my daughter-in-law was there. I said, please pick colors, okay? Please pick colors. And so she picked these out, and these were, let me just see, they were on sale. So regularly $14.99, folks. Okay, I got them two for $10. No, yeah, two for $10. So it was like five. Yeah, so $20 a piece. Yeah, $10 off, right? Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, yay, yay me. And I'm gonna be doing the it's called the Drunken Granny Square Baby Blanket, and it's by the Secret Yarnery, Krista. And I will leave that link below if y'all are interested in anything crochet. Then I got this. Now, I don't have this. This is a sealing wax warmer set, okay? I collaborated with a company a few years ago, and I neglected to get this part of it. This is where you put the candle underneath, and then you put your little whatever this is, spoon on top. It melts the wax. My daughter wanted to use wax seals for her girls' boxes, and I told her I had some of the other stuff. Anyway, doesn't matter. I told her I need this, so I will purchase this for myself to add to my wax seal thing. And then I said, but you can of course use it, while you do your wax seal. So she ended up getting her own wax seal and, the wax. So let's see how much of that was. Where is that? Wax seal. Okay. Regularly $10.99. $7.69 I got it for. So this was on sale. I also did use a 30% coupon. So I'm not really sure like if this stuff was on sale or if it was part of the 30% discount. I don't know. But anyway, so got that. And then I was really looking for, actually, I was looking for faith-based stickers, which I was super disappointed in Michael's. I'll have to go to Hobby Lobby. Boo-hoo, right? Another haul coming up for you, I can tell you. Yeah, I was looking for faith-based stickers, and I wanted Happy Planner stickers in particular. Can I tell you, they had a section about that big in some obscure corner. I literally walked that entire store like twice looking for Happy Planner. I asked somebody, where's your Happy Planner stuff? Because, Michael's like used to have a huge section of Happy Planner stuff, and the gal didn't even know what I was talking about. And so I was like, okay, I'm going on a trek. So I searched high and low, finally came back up to the front of the store, and there it was, like I said, in like this little tiny 4-foot section, and it might have had a dozen sticker books. It had no planners. It had no nothing. So I'm not really sure what's going on. Now, my daughter said, I was like, Michael's used to be Happy Planner Central, right? I don't know what's happening with Michael's. I don't frequent Michael's, so I have no clue. But she suggested, because she used to be a teacher, and she suggested that they'll probably come out with their stuff, with the whole range of stuff in September, I guess. I don't know. So anyway, this is what I got. Okay. Classic Sticker sheets. What is this called? Home. This is what I saw. Water the plants right here because I need these for my calendar. Yeah. Organized closet. Yes. I cleaned today. Meal prep day. This is going to be fabulous for my calendar, my monthly calendar. Love that I got this. In fact, I didn't even realize it's called Home Sweet Home. I didn't even realize it had all this. I got it because it said water the plants. Isn't that funny? Oh, dear me. Okay, so we'll just take a gander, shall we? Now, did I need these, folks? Did I need them? Absolutely not. I did not need them. But I was there, and there are, especially for my monthly calendar, there are a bunch of things like this that I wish I had stickers for, and I don't. So let's check the price on that. Regularly, holy moly, guys, regularly $17.99, $18. Yikes. I got these regularly $18. That is, whoa, that's quite a lot. I got them $9.18, okay? $9.18. Now, keep in mind, because somebody, in the last haul that I did, I'll flip through this. Ooh, weekly checklist. Look at that. Oh, that's fantastic. Okay, I'm loving this. I'm so glad I got this. Oh, I love that. Okay. I hope you can see these. Water the plants in gold. I don't really care for those, but oh, laundry day. Oh my gosh. This is going to be fantastic for my calendar, folks. Anyway, back to the last haul I did. Somebody had mentioned, and very true, and I thank you for pointing it out. Every single store in every single place in the United States is different, right? They're going to stock the stuff that the people in the area buy more of, right? Like, I mean, off topic, but for instance, we don't have a huge selling point for like mittens and toques, or like snow hats. We don't have that here because why? It doesn't snow, right? So my stores aren't going to sell a snowsuit. Okay, let's keep thumbing. Oh, I love this. My stores aren't going to sell, stuff for snowy weather or sleds or anything like that because we don't use them here, So it's important to note that as you're looking and seeing the stuff that I've purchased, you go run on out to Michael's and then you get upset with me because you're like, Elizabeth said that they had this and now I'm here and they don't have this. What is she on about? Every store is different. Okay. So just a little disclaimer there. Pay the bills. I love this. Oh my gosh. You know what? I might have to go back and get another one. Because I will use this like on the daily, right? For my calendar. Oh my heavens. Yeah. That's fantastic. And to think I didn't even realize all I got it for was to water the plants. Okay. This one is fresh botanicals because you know what? Who doesn't love a fresh botanical? Okay. Y'all know me. Oh, welcome if you're new. Welcome back if you're returning. And don't forget, hit those buttons. Okay. Just push the buttons. All right. You got a bell to push, you got a subscribe to push, a like, a hype, a share, all that stuff, okay? Just push them. Just push them and you'll be done with it. Thank you in advance. All right, let's go back here. Now, see, these will go out in Happy Mail or something like that. I tend not to use any of those, but these I will use, yes. Oh, that's pretty. That's like washi tape stuff. Okay, pretty. Yeah. These are nice. I love these colors. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I'm thinking of doing a garden journal, so this would actually be perfect for him. Yeah, for my garden in my new house, Should I be blessed with a new house? Let me just add that. Okay, and then we have this one here, which is classic encouragement. Yes, okay. Who can't use a little bit of encouragement or a lot of encouragement, I say. Yeah, so these were good finds. And I mean, half off, are you kidding me? Like, you can't beat that. You can't beat that. So I love that I found these. And like I said, if my daughter, I mentioned to my husband, I said, oh gosh, I need to go to Hobby Lobby. I thought he was going to have an aneurysm. But I said, don't worry, babe. You don't have to go with me. I'll get Sissy to take me. Oh my heavens to Betsy. Because I'm working on a collaborative project here coming up soon. You guys will know about it soon enough. And I really would like to have some faith-based stuff. I don't have, believe it or not, I don't have a whole lot of faith-based stuff. So yes, it's going to be a faith-based collaboration. And so do I need to get it? No, I do not. But I use, faith-based stuff every day in my regular journaling too. So, yeah. Oh, this is beautiful. Yeah, I like this one. I am, and oh, that's cute. It says down here, I am, and then an affirmation. I am, whatever. Beautiful. I am, and then this is go explore. I mean, it's so super tiny, but cute nonetheless. That's cute. Evening routine. Nice. Small victory today. Love that. Winning this week, letting go this week, growing this week. Oh, I love this. This is the encouragement one. What is this? Vision, mindset, speak, rest, love. Yeah, these are great too. Oh, I like this. These are great too for my calendar. So social, spiritual, emotional, intellectual, physical. Oh, I love this. I see. I didn't even look at these. I looked at the title and I was like, oh yeah, encouragement. Yeah, I can use that. I didn't even look. This was sight unseen, but I'm loving this. Yeah, these are beautiful. Top priority, quiet time, personal development. Oh, nice. Oh yeah, that's nice. Okay. And again, half off. I mean, it was actually, they were 40% off. They were 40% off, but from $18 to $9 and a few cents. Yes, please. Right. Okay. So that is what I got at Michael's. And so then I got, let's just get some stuff over here instead of a blank screen, huh? Okay, I'm just gathering up receipts so that I can show you or tell you what the pricing was. And let me see here. Okay, sorry, it's taking forever. Come on now. Y'all know about this stuff. Oh my gosh. Okay. So here we go. Okay, this was at Ollie's, my sweet daughter, because let me tell you what, if I had said, honey, can you take me to Ollie's, he would have had an aneurysm. So yeah, we didn't want that to happen. Okay, so I did get these at Target. I happen to see them. I love highlighters, and I really, oh gosh, I should have gotten 3 sets, right? Because I want to do some prayer Bibles with my daughters and daughter-in-law. And then also I'm doing a prayer Bible for a friend of mine, and I could have, like, I might still just send these, so she has her set of highlighters to use in it when she gets it. But these were $5. So yeah, and they're dual tip. So yeah, at Target. So love those. And then Ollie's, when we went to Ollie's, yeah, nobody likes Ollie's except me. Now, everybody seems to find stuff in Ollie's when they're in Ollie's. Fancy that, wouldn't you know? But they don't like going because it is, I don't know if y'all have Ollie's near you, but it is overwhelming, right? It's like in a store where there's a lot of overstock. And this in particular, again, with the disclaimer, every Ollie's is different, right? So if I say I got this butterfly paper at Ollie's, chances are they're not going to have it at your Ollie's. They might not, right? So just keep that in mind. So I like, when you first walk in at ours, there's a book section over to the left, and it is a tremendous book section. It's really a nice book section. You can find some books, a really good price. They've got all sorts of books, all sorts. I just love perusing. And then like their first 2 aisles after that is like scrapbook stuff, it's like it's stickers and scrapbook stuff and just all sorts of pens and art materials and journals and all kinds of stuff. So that's like my little section is right up front, right? So I can go in, zoom around, and then leave. Okay. I don't really peruse the store. My husband's favorite part of the store is just directly behind that, and that would be the food section. So, you can get, pretty good deals on like spices and different kinds of foods and stuff. So that's mainly what we shop in there for, but they sell just about anything. So there's that. Then when my girls were in there, they got these, I don't know, mystery dumpling. It was a really cute package. They smelled super toxic, okay? I don't know. I just took this. I was like, where did you put the packaging? My daughter-in-law was like, oh, I threw it away. And I'm like, ma'am, in this house, we throw nothing away, okay? We give it to mama and she takes care of it. She's learning. She's learning quickly. So I just kept these for the packaging. But yeah, collect all 12. They were, here are my girls, right? My daughter-in-law is in her early 20s. My daughter is almost 30. And they just were giddy over these mystery dumplings. And did you get a glitter one? Did you get a glitter one? Oh my gosh, it was hilarious. So yeah, as a little side note, I didn't get them. I don't even know how much they were. I think they were $5. I don't know. Okay, now onto this. I did get some stickers because they have these stickers for 99 cents, right? So, just food stickers. I had pizza last night. Was it last night? Yes, it was last night. So that'll go on probably today's page. Our little girl is loving her apple juice, so I can always use that. Bananas, whatever. Let me see, 2 sheets. So with foil. And then I had to get more hedgehogs, right? And then I got more hamburgers, 2 of those, 2 hedgehogs. And then this, of course, because we have Mexican food a lot in my house. So I had to get that. I actually probably should have gotten 2 of these, but anyway, 99 cents. And then you saw this before. This is, I hope it's not too glary, but no, it's not. Perfect. I saw this the last time I was in there with my husband, and it is vellum paper with gold foil and butterflies. Now, y'all know I call my baby our baby butterfly. That's how I refer to her in my journaling. And whenever I have a picture of her, because my kids, don't want their daughter splashed all over the interwebs, which I completely respect, I usually take a piece of vellum and I just cut it to size, put it over the picture of her, and then staple it on so that it's just obscured, right? And when I saw this, oh, I about fell on the floor. Well, the first time I was there, it said at the table, everything $1. And I thought, oh, I'll get like 5, I don't want to spend more than $5. And when I got up to the front, they were 10 cents a piece. Now, should I have gone right back there? Yes. Did I? No. My husband was ready to go. And I was like, okay. But of course, I knew that my daughters and I were going out, that weekend. And I said, I please, 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 honey, take me. And so she did. And they had them actually in boxes. This is a box, or this is a thing of 15, right? So I went ahead and bought 100. Yes, I did. 100 for $10. And I think that's enough. I think that'll be enough for the coming years whenever I write about my sweet little butterfly. And of course, Caterpillar, she's on her way to being a butterfly. So I'll have 2 butterflies to cover up. But yeah, so there you have it. Is that it? I think that's it. And so, yeah, I think I did pretty well on the pricing. Even though Michael's, in my opinion, is severely expensive, if you ask me. I'm just saying. But, you get it on sale. Make sure you get the, the coupon that you can get on the app and whatnot, because y'all know me, I don't buy anything unless it's on sale. Okay. If it's not on sale, it is not coming home with me. No, it is not. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed that haul as much as you enjoyed the last haul. Y'all went crazy for that last haul. And guess what? There might be another one coming up. How bizarre. I don't even do these things. I don't haul anything. The only thing I haul is my rump from the couch to the kitchen. That's it. So anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Yeah. And I will thank you so much for your time and sharing it with me. Oh gosh, I know how precious time is, folks. I really do. And I'm just so humbled and grateful that you actually choose to spend your time with me. Oh, it blows my mind every week, but I'm ever so grateful and thankful. So I hope y'all have a great rest of your day, a wonderful week, and I'll talk to y'all real soon. Bye for now.